Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're going to be trying out some new NYX eyebrow products. You guys know I definitely need some help in the eyebrow department. I've been trying to grow out my brows for years. I have been using an eyebrow growth serum. The one that I use right now is GrandeBrow. That seems to be working pretty well. I think out of all of the ones that I've tried, I think I enjoy that one the most. I'm also using the new one from e.l.f., the e.l.f. Enhancing Lash and Brow Serum, which I use that one mainly during the day. And if you saw my e.l.f. full face of e.l.f. makeup, I'll have it linked up here so you guys can check that out. I do speak a little bit about that in that video. But today we are sitting down and I'm going to do my brows on camera. Keep in mind, I am not the brow expert. I am not the brow authority. I am very, very uncomfortable doing my eyebrows on camera. And doing my eyebrows is probably the thing I hate most about doing my makeup, just because I never know how they're going to turn out. It's like wing eyeliner for me. Wing eyeliner, I get really nervous when I do my wing, and sometimes it can just make my look or it can break my look, and I feel the exact same way about eyebrows. So we are going to try, these are the two new NYX eyebrow products that I ordered from Ulta Beauty. I have here the brow glue, and it says it is an instant brow styler. And you can see the before and after pictures there. It says that it is non-sticky. One product, limitless brow looks. Style brow hairs to set in place. Non-sticky, transparent formula with a precise spoolie for easy application. And then I also picked up the Lift and Snatch brow tint pen. I've been loving brow tint pens this year, and I kind of discovered them in 2020. Probably one of the better parts of 2020, brow pens, right? And I've been enjoying the one from Milani. I've been enjoying that one a lot. I also use the one from ABH, although the shade I have is just a little bit too dark for me. And of course, I love the Urban Decay Brow Blade. Those have been my go-to brow products this year. So when I saw this one, it says it's a micro brush tip for hair-like strokes. Instantly snatch brows in a pen. Micro brush tip delivers precise hair-like strokes to fill and define brows. Always shake before using. Fill in sparse areas with hair-like strokes, yada, yada, yada. We all know what a brow pin is. I picked up the shade Caramel in this one, and in the glue, it's clear. All right, guys, so let me zoom you in a little bit more. Yeah, I'm already super nervous for this video. We're going to have these brows on for a good 10 hours. I am doing a foundation review today as well. So we're just going to be wear testing a whole bunch of products today. So let me first insert some little swatch photos and product photos of these brow products that we are going to be trying today. And then we'll get into the application portion of today's video. If y'all want to see these new NYX brow products in action, keep on watching. All right, guys, so you can see my brows. This one right here, my right one, definitely has more hair than my left one. And even right here, it doesn't have a little tail the way this one does. Yeah, so this is what we're working with. This is always the good brow, the good side, and then this is the side I never know what's gonna happen. All right, now normally what I do, guys, is I do go in with a precision eyebrow pencil, and I do have a new one, well, not a new one, but this one from NYX that I really do enjoy using. This one is the, what are we calling this? The micro brow pencil, and I use the shade Taupe. So that is normally how I do my brows. So instead of opening this one, I'm going to try and finish up the one that I already have. It's in the same shade Taupe. And I'm just going to comb up my brows. And I use this little pencil just to kind of map out starting and stopping points. And I always start with my right brow. Kind of just go up here as well. Kind of define the little point. But then we're going to be using that pen. Then I kind of just define the little tail a little bit. Kind of just like that. And I'll do the same thing over here. This side really needs it. And kind of just draw up a little bit. Kind of just like that, kind of just mapped them out a little bit. And I'll be going back and forth with this one. Now I'm going to go in with the Brow Tint pen. So it does say to give it a good shake. Again, this one is in the shade Caramel. I'll just swatch it back here. So I think that looks like a good match for my brow hairs. Let's start flicking them up. And I kind of just go in different directions. Like right up here, you're seeing I'm going down because the hair up here kind of grows down. And I'm kind of defining that tail end over here. And when I work on the lower portion, I obviously go up. That doesn't look too bad. Let's see if we can recreate that over here. Kind of define the little point at the top. What do we think? And what is the saying? They're supposed to look like sisters, not twins. I mean, of course, I don't mind if they look like twins. I don't look too bad, right? Not bad for doing this on camera. Guys, you seriously don't know how nervous I am. Like, please, brows, behave. Behave for my viewers. See how this one looks like right here? Let me get the precision. Just kind of fill in down here. What do we think? I think they look all right. I think I'm gonna leave them like this. You know, some days I use more product, some days I use less product. You just never know with eyebrows. Now let's go into the glue, the brow glue. So this is what the little tube looks like. It's cute. Cute little packaging. Now on this one, it says, style brow hairs and set into place. All right, so it's just a little clear brow gel. Just make sure to kind of clean it off, and that's what it looks like. I guess we just brush these. Now, usually after I do like some type of brow gel, which I don't use brow gel every single day, but I like to just go back in with the pen and just kind of intensify certain areas. So I'm just gonna let it set for a minute, and then I'm gonna go in and kind of just fill in a little bit more right in here, because sometimes I feel the brow gel kind of removes product from time to time. All right, so I'm just taking the pen. So these are the brows using these brand new NYX eyebrow products, the brow glue and the Lift and Snatch brow tint pen, caramel clear. Also getting some help from the NYX Precision, or what is it, micro brow pencil in the shade Taupe. All right, guys, so we're gonna wear these brows all day long. So far, guys, I like the way the products applied. I mean, they did exactly what they said they were gonna do. I can see that the gel, the glue, is kind of holding them up a little bit. We'll see how they look at the end of the day and whether these are gonna be worth checking out. So I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, it's been 10 hours that I've been wearing these new NYX eyebrow products. And what do you guys think? I feel like I kind of lost a little bit of pigment, kind of like right in here. And then right in here on the inner portion where I use the brow pen to kind of draw those hair-like strokes, I feel like it's kind of gone away a little bit. Now that my oils are starting to come through, I am a normal to oily skin type. I feel like maybe that caused some of the pigment to kind of rub off. I have been really busy all day. I've been in and outdoors. It's about 80 degrees here right now, so I wouldn't say that I was like sweating, but you know, I was working. I did perspire a bit. So I don't know if maybe that's why this kind of came off a little bit, but I haven't like touched my eyes or anything. I usually don't if I know I have eye makeup on, I don't ever rub my eyes or touch my eyebrows or anything like that. Now, as far as each item, I do like the brow pen. I did like the shade I got the shade Caramel, and I thought it was very easy to apply. It was just like a typical brow pen. So I am going to continue to use it, but I think that the star of the show is going to be the NYX the brow glue. I feel like it really did help my brows kind of just stay in place, and I do feel like they kind of, you know, stayed a little bit up. You know, they really didn't fall down, and they feel, I don't want to say they feel hard, but it feels like there's product on there, and I don't mind it at all. I mean, I need all the help with my eyebrows that I can get. So I'm happy with both of these products. If you need an eyebrow product to be 100% waterproof, then I don't think this brow pen would be for you. You might want to check out maybe the ABH one. That one seems to really stay put all day long. I personally like the Milani Weekend Brow Pen. I think that's what it's called. I've been using that quite a bit, and I really do like that one, but I'm happy to have this NYX one in my stash because I do use that NYX Precisely or micro brow pencil on a daily basis. Like, that one has been in my stash for so long. So I welcome these two new NYX brow products to my stash. I look forward to using them again. But if you are looking for something a bit more waterproof, a bit more life proof, then I would maybe just try the glue and then look elsewhere for another brow pen. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Have you tried these out? What do you think of NYX brow products? Have you used them before? Let me know your thoughts on these new products, and what brow product would you recommend for me? I would love to hear that because, guys, I struggle with my brows every single day. Sometimes they come out too dark, sometimes they come out too thick. It's just always a process. Guys, before I end this video, I'm not exactly sure when this video is going to go up, but as you can see, the Christmas tree is behind me, and I want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. I thank you guys so much for being here with me on this makeup journey, for subscribing to my channel, and just for showing me so much love and support this past year. I truly hope that you guys have a safe, happy, and very Merry Christmas, and I hope you get to spend time, a little bit of time, with those that mean the most to you. You guys have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.